Hello everyone, welcome to FineReport tutorial lesson 2. So today's lesson will be on section 1 cell expansion and section 2 parent-child cell. So let's move on to section 1. Open the designer. By clicking this shortcut key, we will create a new template. So the first step is to build our DB query data sets. So in today's lesson, we will use sales volume as the data table for the rest of the tutorial. Okay, so next, click on salesperson, drag it all the way to A1 cell so we can bind the data to the corresponding cell. And also formatting it, make it center, give it a frame to look better. So every time we want to preview a new template, we have to save it first. So let's call this one sales expansion. Okay. So by default, the A1 cell will expand vertically. Let's preview, see what it looks like. So every salesperson will expand from top to bottom vertically. And also we have another option, let the cell expand horizontally. So let's preview it. Similarly, every salesperson will expand from left to right horizontally. So last, we have the last option, no expansion. Let's preview, see what it looks like. So every data will expand vertically within one unit cell. So now let's move on to section 2, parent-child cell. So in this section, we will define all the relationship between multiple cells and also how they expand in a certain way. Open the designer, clear everything from section 1. And also we're gonna keep the datasets sales volume from section 1. This time, holding shift, also clicking region on salesperson, drag them all the way to A1, let them expanding from left to right. And also we're gonna do a formatting really quick here. So for A1 and B1, we're going to give them a different background color for recognize. Okay, so in here, A1 is going to be the default parent cell of B1, as you can see from the right hand pane. That parent cell and a parent cell is default of B1, which is A1. Still, we're going to save them as a new template for preview. Let's name them parent and child. Okay, so now let's preview. As you can see, every salesperson within the area of East China is expanding according to East China. Also, every salesperson within the area of North China is grouped by North China. So this shows the relationship between parent and child cell. So that was A1 and B1 both expanding in vertical way. So now let's look at the different situation. We're going to let the A1 region expanding horizontally while we're holding and clicking on salesperson, drag them to cell A2. And by default, the salesperson will expand in a vertical way. Still, we're going to do the formatting really quick here. So now let's hit the preview button. As you can see, the child cell salesperson are still grouped by different region. What if there's no relationship between region and salesperson? So we can change the B1's up parent cell from default to none. Let's hit the preview button. And as you can see, every salesperson only expand within one unit cell and they're not grouped anymore. So what if the parent and the child cell are not neighboring? For example, we'll clear everything from cell A2 and we'll drag salesperson to a different location, C3. And for C3, we'll have to change the up parent cell from default to custom. And by clicking here, we select A1 as C3's up parent cell. Still gonna do the formatting. Okay. So now let's hit the preview button. As you can see, even though they're not neighboring, the salesperson are still grouped by different region. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.